If you've ever wanted to remove Telegram from your Windows 10 computer, maybe because you need some extra space, want to clean up your apps, or simply don't use it anymore, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fully uninstall Telegram from your device, and you'll understand why each step matters so you can easily repeat this process for any other program in the future. Let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure you've closed Telegram if it's running. It just helps everything go a little smoother. First up, head to your system search. That's the small magnifying glass icon at the bottom left of your screen, right on your taskbar. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the Windows key and just start typing. Why use the system search? Well, it's the fastest way to find almost anything on your Windows computer. Rather than hunting through menus, you just type in what you need. Go ahead and type Control Panel into the search bar. You should see the Control Panel app pop up at the top of the results. Click on it to open. Control Panel might seem a little old school compared to Windows settings, but for uninstalling desktop applications, it's still the most reliable method. If you're ever unsure where to change a setting, Control Panel is usually where you'll find the answer. Once the Control Panel window is open, look for the option that says Uninstall a program. You'll usually find it right under the Programs category. Click there. It may take just a moment for the list to populate, especially if you have a lot of programs installed, so don't worry if you see a bit of a delay. Now you'll see a long list of all the software installed on your computer. Scroll through and find Telegram Desktop. It's important to find the exact application you want because there might be other things with similar names. If you're having trouble, the list is sorted alphabetically, so you can jump down to the T's and it should be right around there. Once you've found Telegram Desktop, move your cursor over it and give it a right click. This will bring up a small menu, and from here select Uninstall. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to remove it. This is just Windows double-checking that you really want to uninstall. Go ahead and confirm. The uninstall process should start immediately. You might see a brief progress bar or a window from Telegram itself. Don't worry, this usually only takes a few moments. If it asks you whether you want to keep any data, like your settings, it's totally your choice, but if you want a full, fresh removal, choose to delete all related files. And that's it. Telegram is now uninstalled from your Windows 10 computer. You've reclaimed a little space and your system is a bit tidier. If you ever want to reinstall Telegram or any program, just head to the website and download it again. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, for instance, if Telegram isn't showing up in your list or the uninstall button isn't working, just drop your question in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.